This is Eats with Twan, and on today's episode, we're making something really good. Something quick. Air fryer shrimp cocktail. This is going to be delicious. And we're going to make a homemade cocktail sauce. It's going to be so amazing. Make sure you join me for delicious fun recipes weekly right here on Eats with Twan. Now, back to this recipe. We're going to start off with 12 to 15 count shrimp or colossal shrimp. Make sure you get some nice sized shrimp. You want to keep the tail on the shrimp. You want to make sure it's clean and deveined. Now, with the shrimp, you want to go ahead and make sure the shrimp is pat dry. Go ahead and pat it dry. Make sure you eliminate any excess moisture. Then we're going to go ahead and coat the shrimp with some extra virgin olive oil, about 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. Don't worry, I will have all of the ingredients listed in the description. Now we're going to go ahead and add about a teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of black pepper so we can go ahead and add a little bit of flavor to the shrimp. Now we don't need nothing else to this, alright? Go ahead and stir to combine. You want to make sure the salt and pepper is on all of our delicious shrimp. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for weekly recipes from Eats with Twan. Go ahead and hit that button. Now, once you start to combine, go ahead and get your air fryer basket. You do want to coat the air fryer basket with nonstick spray. You do not want the shrimp to stick to the basket. So go ahead and put your shrimp inside of your air fryer basket and make sure you do not overfill the actual basket. Go ahead and spread it out just like that. And we're going to go ahead and put this in the air fryer for 5 to 8 minutes at 400 degrees. Cooking times will vary depending on your personal air fryer. Now for our homemade cocktail sauce. In a small bowl, add a half cup of chili sauce, just like that. Then we're going to go ahead and add a half cup of ketchup. Now don't worry, I'll have all of the ingredients in the description for you to follow. 3 tablespoons of a good horseradish, just like that. And I'm using Old Bay hot sauce. That's right, let the picture get clear. Old Bay hot sauce. Go ahead and add a teaspoon of any hot sauce you like, but I'm using good Old Bay. To that mixture, you want to go ahead and add half of a lemon squeeze. So just go ahead and cut a lemon in half, squeeze half of a lemon in there, and you want to go ahead and stir to combine. And look at that sauce. That sauce looks pretty good, doesn't it? You made it. So go ahead and stir to combine. It should look just like that. Once you're done with the sauce, go ahead and check on the shrimp. Look at that shrimp. That shrimp looks amazing. Go ahead and let the shrimp cool off once it comes out of the air fryer. Only going to be a few minutes or so. You don't want the shrimp to be extremely hot, but that's your air fryer shrimp. Let's go ahead and plate this up. It's going to be quick and easy. You can have this for Sunday appetizer, whatever you want. It's just a quick and easy air fryer shrimp cocktail recipe, and this is so amazing. Now folks, I couldn't let the video end without giving you an on-screen taste test. Now I went ahead and dipped that air fryer shrimp into that good old homemade cocktail sauce. It should give me a nice bite, just like that. Whew, man, that thing was amazing. I'm gonna finish this shrimp cocktail out and I'll see you guys in the next episode.